Hi there, my name is Sherry Denny, and I'm your corporate director with APLGO. And I just want to show you a way that you can make sure that you're qualified for next month's commissions and making sure that you keep your accumulated volume as well. Log into your back office. You'll go to backoffice.aplgo.com and put in your ID number and your password. If you're on a computer, you're going to see this view up at the top. It's on your main page. If you're on a smartphone, you're going to want to scroll down until you see this right here that gives you your bonus qualifications. Now, if you've already placed your order this month and you were good to go last month, it's going to look like this. All 4 of those little check marks are going to be green. When your bonus qualification looks like this down here, it needs attention. How to fix it. You're going to look on your bonus qualification, look down here where it says qualifying details. Click on that and you will see exactly what needs to be done. This box opens up and it tells you exactly what you need to do. On this example, a personal order needs to be made right here, that personal order of at least 40, but make sure you open this qualifying details box up to find out if yours is 40 PV. It may be higher according to your pay status. The next thing that needs to be done here, activity needs to be met in branch number 2. So this person already has somebody in branch number 1 that has placed at least a 40 PV order or above. So these 2 boxes need to have attention made to them. Your screen should look like this when complete. And make sure you check this way before the last day of the month. Commissions cannot be backtracked. And in the branches, they're going to look like this only if you have 1 personally sponsored on your left and 1 personally sponsored on your right that have also placed a 40 PV order. If you have any questions, please reach out way before the end of the month. The deadline is 4 p.m. Pacific time, 8 p.m. Eastern time. And reach out to your sponsor if need be. Thank you so much.